just finished off one explore, and then we looked the opposite side, and there's a full-on exploring, like it's literally like a massive house slash mansion. I'm joined today with Urbex Michonne and exploring with Mike. Now let's go and check out this abandoned, I would say, mansion house.
I'd say it's a mansion, this one. We've got abandoned car here.
Abandoned car there. No way, there's another entrance.
This is... And that door's overgrown as well, so that's weird, is it?
I look out the front. Yeah, there's no one living in this. The window broken there. If someone's living in this, then there's something not right.
Yeah.
There's a caravan. The caravan around the front, we don't know if anyone's in it. But this is fully abandoned, with several entrances in.
Caution, dogs running free.
Yeah.
Have you?
Yeah. Can't do much. So this is really sketchy.
Very, very funny vibe for that one.
Seems wide open.
Yeah, spotlights.
Yeah.
That's just new. That's a bit. The place has been trashed. Straight through the door.
You got one, I'll go this way.
That's just closed, I reckon. Go on then.
Check any alarms or anything.
Can you see that?
It's like to the right, it's like a aviary.
Oh, right.
So they've had birds, animals.
Right.
This is like a mansion.
Kitchen's been trashed.
Everywhere's been trashed, it's just a caravan.
Yeah. I mean, if they're trashing it, they're not going to stack it, are they?
No.
That's a bit weird.
Is that you again?
That's me again.
See if we can get a better view from upstairs. There's a sunbed. And if you want more of a quiet, because there's a caravan on site, I don't know if anyone's in it, but this is like a mansion. Just see. Next floor. People who would live in here had money.
Oh yeah.
Did you notice?
Next steps. Yeah. I'll get
To do
shots
some
of this.
research and see.
Yeah, but I've got the name now.
Yeah.
So, yeah, looking at it, it does look like what you would find like at a little family zoo and that.
Yeah.
All the different rooms and that.
Shall we have a look at this?
Yeah. But yeah, I really don't think it's.
I see about monkeys.
I reckon some of these have had monkeys in.
Yeah.
That looks fresh in there.
Yeah.
Bit of a
Yeah, if you look at, see what I mean by the window.
Yeah, we should do.
The window looks like everything's
Yeah.
just trashed in there.
How far did you walk around?
I only stood here and looked.
Yeah,
And you see the lighting. It's still
Yeah.
sort of like everything piled up.
yeah.
So I don't know if it's a difficult one, but you can see what I'm saying, like with it.
Yeah.
And by now, with the noise we've made,
They would have come out, wouldn't they?
if they're in. So, well, that's what I said, leave it to last, because then we've done the place, and then we'll just get the hell out of here if anything goes tits up.
Yeah.
Just keep your cameras rolling. I don't remember seeing that door.
July 2009. Got a church thing here, funeral service thing.
Yeah. See, it would have came up. But no.
Oh
Can
yeah.
you see straight through there?
Ouch. That hurt.
Come on, Barbie, let's go party.
Flat, what's that? Flat 5, Cotswold. Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, we've got another one here.
Hang on. We haven't been in here.
No,
Not even in this section.
that's what I said to
No,
Sean.
hang on. Here we go, we've got two things here, look. 8th of July 2009, 9th of February 2009.
Duh.
Sure.
Fucking hell, that freaked me out. That little bastard thing just freaked me out. I mean, just...
It's definitely a crazy house.
Yeah.
Staring.
Find the cellar.
Oh, we found.
So this is attached, but not attached.
Yeah.
Shame that glass has been smashed. That's on there.
Yeah.
Where's the stairs go? Do you think it leads to the same area or different? Because I don't
I
remember.
think it'd be different.
This is a big
Oh, here we go,
freaking...
here we go. Big kid.
It doesn't work.
Yeah, we're coming that way in a minute. Oh, look, there's nothing said it.
Yeah. And it's going to be very surprised.
I just thought that was where you had a picture.
Oh,
It's been sealed.
you can't get the key out.
That's a safe and all though, hidden
Yeah.
under a photo frame. Because
Yeah.
this would have been the photo frame.
Yeah.
They had money if they can do that. That's Simpsons. So we thought we was done, then find another door entrance, and it leads to a different part of the house, which we're in now.
Found the cellar.
Yeah, it's definitely another area.
Yeah, underneath here.
Oh, no.
It's definitely another area.
Yeah.
Check out, there's more rooms.
I thought it was a different house.
Well, that's nice.
Not very safe without the banister. Yeah.
Yeah. And their paperwork.
First of all, that's woody in.
Why?
Because that's an animal crate.
That's a big animal crate.
Whoa.
I was hoping to find a car, not a fucking animal crate.
And it's got a Santa Claus in it.
Big old.
What the hell? Canopy assy.
That would have been a pit.
Service kit.
Yeah.
Okay, so what the hell did they have? That's a big ass crate.
Right, by the looks of this size of this animal crate, that looks like big enough for my ex.
What about finding stuff and then finding weird shit? Oh,
Yes.
could have just gone through the...
The door.
Yeah, because it looks like it's a jar. Yep,
It's not. It's a door.
it's a door. You could have just walked through the door. So if you enjoyed this video, guys, YouTube channel's be in the link below. And I'll see you in the next one.